In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design LinkedIn carousel posts in Canva. Open Canva and head to the search bar. In the search field, type LinkedIn carousel to browse Canva's available templates. This is the fastest way to find layouts that are already designed for this kind of post. As you look through the options, try to choose a design that feels clean and easy to follow. A solid background, strong contrast, and large readable text usually work best for LinkedIn, especially since many people will be viewing your carousel on mobile devices. The goal is to make each slide clear at a glance. Once you find a template you like, select it and click Use this template. This will open the design in the editor so you can begin customizing it. Here, you can edit the template to match your topic and style. Update the text, adjust colors if needed, and make sure the overall layout stays simple and professional. Try not to overcrowd the pages. Carousel posts usually perform better when each page communicates one clear idea. Keep your messaging consistent from one slide to the next so the full document feels connected and polished. When you've finished editing your template, the next step is to export it properly. Click Share, then Download. For the file type, choose PDF Standard. This format works well for LinkedIn document uploads and helps preserve the layout of each page. Also make sure all pages are included before downloading, so your carousel uploads as one complete file in the correct order. After that, go to LinkedIn and click Start a Post. From there, click the plus icon or the attachment option. Then choose Add a Document. Upload the PDF file you just downloaded from Canva. Once the upload is complete, add a document title. Make it short, clear, and relevant to the content of your carousel so viewers immediately understand what it's about. Finally, write your main caption and include relevant hashtags to help your post reach the right audience. Keep the caption aligned with the message in your carousel and make sure it invites people to engage with the content. When everything looks good, click Post. And that's it. Thanks for watching.